Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and this is the card that we are making today. We're going to be using Petal palette. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I just have a piece of Whisper White, and we are using the flowers from the Petal palette. And then we're also going to be using the Thank You from, this is a 2-set, you get 2 with it. And we're going to be using our basic black archival ink. And then because it's oversized, I like to stamp it upside down. And this is on block E. And now there's some places where it looks like the ink didn't get on the stamp, but it is meant to be that way. All right. And then I have the Thank You on block G, and I'm going to ink that up in the archival ink as well. And we're going to cut it out with the stitch-shaped oval. So just put that there in the middle. And that's all the stamping that we're doing. Make sure this is dry. And I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Blends. This is light Bermuda Bay, and then I have dark Old Olive. And there's 2 different points. So you have the more pen-like tip, and then the more brush-like. We're going to use the brush-like. And so we're just going to color, and you can put however much pressure you'd like, but they run very smoothly. And we're going to do this twice, and I already colored one and cut it out just so that we don't have a 30-minute video. And I just recently started using these Stampin' Blends, and I have to say the coloring is very relaxing. Okay. And then we're going to use the brush tip on the Old Olive as well. Alright, so we'll bring in our Big Shot. And I have the magnetic cutting platform down. I just want to center that. And then the coordinating framelits are Petals and More, and if you buy them together you will save 10%, but this is all that comes in there. It's a really good set to have. I love it. Alright, and then we will make our sandwich and run that through. Alright, just like that. And look at how nice that cuts out. Love that. Alright, so now we can start putting this card together. Oh, you know what? We are going to use the Big Shot for something else. I'm going to bring in my embossing pad. And then this is also the coordinating embossing folder. And this is 1 inch by 4. I think it's 1.5 inches actually. And I'm just going to run that through. Just like that. Okay, now we really can take this out of the way. And now my card base is basic black, and it's cut at 5.5 by 8.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I am going to put down a piece of Whisper White, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm just going to put it down with some SNAIL adhesive. And then we'll center that just like that. And then I have a piece from the Petal Passion Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Alright, and now I'm going to take the piece that we embossed, and I'm going to put that down with some SNAIL as well. And I'm just going to put it in the center here. Let's make sure that it's straight. Just like that. And now I have the delicate doily. I'm putting that down with SNAIL in the center, just like that. And now I'm going to come in with my thank you. And I'm going to put that down in the center. And then these are the flowers that we cut. These are the ones that we did today, and then this is the ones that I did earlier. and I'm just going to bring in my dimensionals. And it's a pretty large piece, so I'm going to put about 4, maybe 5. Yeah, we'll just put 5 just to be sure. And then we'll just pull the backs off. Remember, on February the 22nd, my birthday, I am giving away a Beautiful Day stamp set. And all you have to do is be a newsletter subscriber. If you are already a newsletter subscriber, then you do not have to do anything. If you're not, just simply go to my blog at sheilastamps.net and click on sign up, and that'll take you to my newsletter. Alright, and then we're going to put these down here at the bottom. Just like that. So here is a really nice thank you card, and this stamp set has a lot of sentiment. It's got thank you, best wishes for everything. Sometimes things are just meant to be, like the two of you. You could use that for a wedding. Life is so much better with you in it. Congratulations from the heart, and I just love you. I absolutely love this stamp set. So, if you need any of the supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye!